Welcome to USA Biker, your go-to channel for in-depth looks at the most powerful and iconic motorcycles on the road. Today, we dive into the legend of the Yamaha VMAX, a machine that has dominated the muscle bike category for decades. From its aggressive styling to its monstrous V4 engine, the VMAX is built for pure adrenaline and unmatched performance. Born in the mid-1980s, the VMAX quickly gained a reputation for being one of the fastest production motorcycles of its time. Its 1,197cc V4 engine produced an astonishing 145 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with. Over the years, Yamaha continued refining this beast, leading to the 2009 model that featured a larger 1,679cc engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 197 horsepower and 123 pound-feet of torque. This upgrade solidified the VMAX as one of the most powerful cruiser-style motorcycles ever built. Beyond raw power, the VMAX's design is an aggressive mix of muscle and style. The massive air scoops on the sides give it a bold and commanding presence, while the thick, low-slung frame enhances stability at high speeds. Unlike typical cruisers, the VMAX incorporates sportbike-level technology, including an advanced aluminum frame, fully adjustable suspension, and high-performance braking systems. This ensures not just straight-line speed but also superior handling and control. One of the most distinctive features of the VMAX is Yamaha's V-Boost system. On earlier models, this unique feature used electronically controlled butterfly valves to increase air intake at higher RPMs, delivering an explosive surge of power that set it apart from other bikes. While later versions focused more on refined power delivery, the essence of this high-performance system remained, making the VMAX a true icon of muscle bike engineering. Despite its aggressive nature, the VMAX is surprisingly comfortable for long rides. Its upright seating position and ergonomic design allow for a smooth yet thrilling riding experience. However, don't expect it to be a traditional touring bike. The VMAX is built for riders who crave power and acceleration over long-distance comfort. The raw torque and immediate throttle response make it perfect for city streets and open highways alike. Over the years, the VMAX has gained a loyal following of riders who appreciate its unapologetic performance and unique styling. While production officially ended in 2020, the legacy of this machine lives on. Enthusiasts continue to modify and customize their VMAX motorcycles, pushing the limits of speed and design. Whether stock or heavily tuned, the VMAX remains one of the most exhilarating rides in the motorcycle world. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles with a distinct attitude, the Yamaha VMAX is a bike that deserves respect. Its combination of muscle, speed, and technology makes it a standout in the cruiser and sportbike categories. Let us know in the comments if you've ever ridden a VMAX or if it's on your dream bike list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to USA Biker for more deep dives into the world of legendary motorcycles. Ride safe and keep the throttle open.